So when a manufacturer is looking at developing or testing a new product, at what point do you as Cardinal Health get involved, or how does that look?
It depends on the different divisions of Cardinal Health and when they might engage and work with the manufacturer. Right? There are
Mm,
some divisions with Cardinal Health that are working with manufacturers in their FDA filing processes and things of that nature. But for
mm,
us on the 3PL side, we start to get engaged with the manufacturer as they're getting close to coming out of their clinical trials. And they might have a PDUFA date of when they believe they're going to be getting approval from the FDA. And so that could be 2 years out from launch. That could be a year out from launch. It just depends. But that's when we're engaging with them to understand what their needs are and the unique aspects of their products so that we can ensure that we have the right capabilities and infrastructure in place to support those products.
Interesting, interesting. So tell us, for some of these products, how do you make sure that one, they arrive where they're supposed to arrive intact, right? And there's no damage or anything like that. But also, how do you utilize packaging to maintain some of these requirements like temperature sensitivity throughout the travel time of the product itself?
Yeah, so our packaging solutions business is really working with manufacturers on whether it's primary packaging or secondary packaging. So as they are preparing to come to market, this is really what does the box look like and how does the product fit in the box and what is the size of the box? So if a manufacturer may have a product that's got an oral dose solid in bottles. Well, do you want 100 bottles in a case? Do you want 10 bottles in a case? What makes the most sense? And so we're working with manufacturers to help them design the right packaging based on who their customers are and where the product's going to be. When you think about shelf space and where that product's going to sit, what makes the most sense? So we're helping to design the right packaging, but that packaging also plays a crucial role of, hey, as this box moves through the supply chain, it's going to be touched by many hands. How do we make sure that as it gets bumped along the way, that you're not creating damage to the product and the
Mm.
product still looks the way that you want it to look when it gets to the end customer and they're going to put it on the shelf prior to dispensing.